Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a business line of credit on Twoguysfinance. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to go to Twoguysfinance's website, and you're going to click on business line of credit. Now once you're there, you're going to need to review the different business line of credit options and just choose the one that best suits your specific business need. And then you're going to click on apply now and fill out the online application form. Now together with the form, you're going to need to provide the required documentation, such as business financial documents and tax return documents. Once that's done, you're going to review and agree to the business line of credit's terms and conditions. Be sure to read that thoroughly. And once that's submitted, you're going to receive a business line of credit decision. And if it's approved, you will need to review and sign the loan documents. Now once that signing is done, just close on your business line of credit and you'll receive the funds. Now you can use Twoguysfinance's online banking platform or the Twoguysfinance mobile app to manage your business line of credit payments in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a business line of credit through Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.